Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews and recommendations for your home improvement needs. Today, we're showcasing the best NearMoon showerhead, an exceptional product that will transform your shower experience. This NearMoon filtered showerhead combines high-pressure performance, multiple settings, and a sleek design, making it an ideal choice for any modern bathroom. This high-quality showerhead features a premium stainless steel construction with a chrome finish, offering durability and a rust-resistant design. At 8 inches, the square showerhead provides a large surface area for a refreshing and invigorating shower. Thanks to its ultra-slim design and air-in technology, it delivers high-pressure water flow, even in areas with low water pressure, ensuring a powerful shower every time. The NearMoon showerhead is not just about looks, it's also about functionality. It features 5 different settings to cater to your personal preferences. Whether you're looking for a relaxing rainfall shower, a power massage, or a waterfall mist, this showerhead has you covered. Plus, you can combine settings like a power massage with a waterfall mist for a customized experience that helps you unwind after a long day. Installing this showerhead is quick and easy. With no tools required, it takes just 5 minutes to set up. Simply screw it on and rinse for 10 minutes to flush out any carbon deposits from the filter. The filter technology effectively removes impurities from your water, ensuring a cleaner and healthier shower experience for you and your family. The included stainless steel hose extends up to 1.5 meters, giving you added flexibility for tasks like bathing kids or washing pets. The NearMoon filtered showerhead is a versatile, high-performance option that enhances your daily shower routine. Whether you're looking for a refreshing start to your day or a relaxing end to a hectic one, this showerhead has everything you need. Make sure to check it out on Amazon, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews on the best home products.